Hello. Um, this is a test of my T5 traffic signal controller, green, yellow, red, plus 2 arrow from lights to go. There seems to be a problem with it. This was on display outside on a light pole that I put together that hung from a tree across 2 trees, and I left it out in the weather for a whole year through winter, spring, summer, and fall. And when I went to bring it indoors, it was outside inoperable for half a year because I didn't let it run through the winter. And this is what I get when I turned it back on a half a year later. So without further ado, here's the funky traffic light. Yeah, you can clearly see that the yellow light and red light are not supposed to be on at the same time. This happened, there's a traffic light down near my house, down at the bottom of a hill, and every Friday the light that always stays green would turn on its red light, and red and green would be on at the same time. I'm not sure how that happened because it's supposed to have a fault detector. So, I don't know how that happened. Yeah, you just saw that the red and green was on at the same time. It worked perfectly when I first got the controller. So, if anybody knows why it's doing this and can help me, I'll take anything. I don't know if it's the LEDs that are overpowering the controller, or it's just that it was out in the weather too long. The controller was in a control box that I bought at Radio Shack, one of those plastic project boxes, and I'm not sure if a spider or a slug or a bird got into one of the holes and possibly damaged the circuit board when I touched it. So, yeah. And I previously brought another traffic light up here into my room, and I think I wired the positive into the negative and the negative into the positive, so I'm not sure if that did it, or I did rewire the traffic light wrong, so I could have that was probably my number one reason why it would have done that. So if anybody knows why it's doing that, once again, I will take any help from it, any traffic light expert out there. I know quite a few of them out there, so I just take any help. Thank you.